If you want to know how to put on a frost cover, you're in the right place. Frost covers. Here's our frost cover. It's made from recycled bags that blow up inside, like big airbags inside of shipping containers, and come right all the way from Germany to New Zealand, and then they are thrown out, but we recycle them. Perfect for on your windscreen in winter, stop the frost. Right, so we'll just undo this here. Let's put it on. You just unroll it. You can either have the writing on the outside or on the inside. Let's fold it in half here. Right, so sometimes if it's windy, I'll just put it under the FDS. There we go, so tuck it in the door. So make sure you got it nice and tight here. Tuck it in the, and you can put the other wiper on here. Doesn't matter if it hangs down a bit or goes up the top of it. And there you go. Easy. Just like that. Lightweight. It's very strong, tough material. You can adjust it. You can have it up higher. You use it for a boot liner.